Welcome. This guide covers how we can create, share, and use the Quick Support plugin to streamline our remote assistance. Quick Support is a lightweight desktop plugin that allows customers to join sessions or raise requests instantly, with no complex setups or long email chains required. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. First things first, let's dive into customizing your support plugin tailored to your organization's needs. From the Zoho Assist dashboard, we head over to Settings. Under Remote Support, we click Quick Support. Next, we click on Add Plugin to start creating our custom plugin. We start by giving our plugin a distinctive and vital name. Choose how customers can join. We can allow them to join a session using a session key shared by a technician, raise a support request, or even enable both options. Remember, if we want customers to raise requests, we must make sure our self-service portal is enabled in the settings. Next up is branding. We can match the plugin to reflect our company's look and feel by setting up theme colors and uploading the logo or banner. Just ensure that the file size for the image is under 5 megabytes and that the file names are simple. Use the preview panel on the right to see exactly how the plugin will look in real time before clicking Create Plugin to finalize it. Once we've created our custom plugin, it will appear on our Quick Support list. Now, sharing and downloading our Quick Support plugin is easy. Click the share icon and copy the download link, or email it directly to the customer. When customers open the link, a Quick Support installer page will greet them. Here, the customer can verify your organization's details before downloading the plugin. Once downloaded, they can execute the file, install it, and have the plugin ready for action on their device. To join a session, customers will need to open the Zoho Assist Quick Support plugin from their desktop. Navigate to the Join Session tab, enter the session ID provided by the technician, their name, and then just click Join. Meanwhile, placing a support request is just as straightforward. Head to the Raise a Request tab, describe the issue, and hit Submit. The request goes straight to the service queue where it can be picked up quickly by a technician. And that's how you make the most of Zoho Assist's Quick Support to deliver faster, branded, and hassle-free remote support. Try Quick Support today and make remote help feel effortless.